You guys can see where it just kind of touched down up through here. You know what? Yep.
Look, that's like a slingshot.
Yeah. You think it would sling up if it got loose?
Huh?
Think it would sling up if it got loose?
Oh, yeah.
Go up there and stop, and I'll catch up to you and look back through here where it came out.
Yo, so that bucket touchdown, it went through here, went through?
I don't know.
Well,
I just know that it came up through here. Ready? It's because they're all ripped open. Power lines we just went over. Wow, this is pretty tore up through here. That's a big one. Look over there. Oh, never mind. Well, we can't go up that way. Wow. Look at those trees. Right here's where it came through. Do you see that tree shaking when they were pulling that wire? That's why I told you to get out of there. Let's go slow, okay? T-shirt, free, anybody wants it. Holy crap. Oh, that's gone. Dude, look, that's all ripped out. Whoa. Little spike. You can see over there, tree snapped. of them. Try to hold that steady. Power lines. What?
You just put on the brakes.
Oh, well, it's good pictures.
That's why you said the camera's dead.
It's almost dead. It's a lot of.
Should have had me do it. Have the camera. Because in that bumpy spot, I was just going, and then down the road.
Oh, no. Drove over another power line. Oh, this is snapped to pieces. Whoa. Wow, look at all that.